To enable sound in Google Meet screen share, start by launching Google Meet and joining or creating a meeting. Once you are in the meeting, click on the Present Now button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. A pop-up window will appear with the option to share your entire screen, a window, or a tab. Before selecting what you want to share, click on the 3 vertical dots next to the Share Screen button and select Share Audio. This option allows you to share the audio from your computer with the other participants in the meeting. After selecting Share Audio, choose what you want to share, either your entire screen, a window, or a tab, and click the Share button. Your screen will now be shared with the other participants in the meeting, along with the audio from your computer. To stop sharing your screen and audio, click on the Stop Presenting button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. It is essential to note that the Share Audio option may not be available in all Google Meet meetings, depending on the meeting settings and the version of Google Meet you are using. To ensure that the Share Audio option is available, make sure you are using the latest version of Google Meet and that the meeting settings allow for audio sharing. Additionally, if you are using a Chrome browser, ensure that the browser has access to your computer audio. You can do this by going to the Chrome settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and finally selecting the audio option to allow Chrome to access your computer audio. By following these steps, you can enable sound in Google Meet screen share and enhance your online meetings with high quality audio and video. Remember to always check the meeting settings and your browser settings to ensure that the Share Audio option is available and that your computer audio is accessible.